1. Basic SCADA system. Overview. A basic SCADA system is the simplest form of SCADA and is designed for small-scale operations. This type of system typically manages a single machine or process. Components. 1. Remote Terminal Unit, RTU. The RTU collects data from sensors and transducers connected to the machine or process. It also sends control commands to the process or machine based on instructions from the Master Terminal Unit, MTU. 1. Master Terminal Unit, MTU. The MTU is the central control unit that communicates with the RTU. It processes the data received from the RTU, displays it to operators, and sends commands back to the RTU as necessary. Application. This type of SCADA system is often used in small industrial setups where only one process or machine needs monitoring and control. It's common in simple, isolated applications like small water treatment plants or a single production line. 2. Integrated SCADA system. Overview. An integrated SCADA system is more complex than the basic type, designed to manage multiple processes or machines. It involves multiple RTUs and often integrates with a distributed control system, DCS. Components. Multiple RTUs. In an integrated SCADA system, several RTUs are deployed across different processes or machines. Each RTU collects data from its respective process and communicates with the central MTU. Distributed Control System, DCS. A DCS works in tandem with the SCADA system, allowing for more complex and real-time control of multiple processes. The DCS typically handles the control logic while the SCADA system focuses on data acquisition and supervisory functions. Application. Integrated SCADA systems are used in medium to large-scale industrial operations where multiple processes or machines need to be monitored and controlled. Examples include large water treatment plants, power generation facilities, or complex manufacturing processes. 3. Networked SCADA system. Overview. A networked SCADA system is the most advanced type, designed for large-scale, geographically dispersed operations. This system involves multiple SCADA systems that are interconnected via a network, allowing for centralized monitoring and control of a vast number of RTUs. Components. Multiple SCADA systems. In a networked SCADA environment, several SCADA systems operate independently but are connected via a network. Each SCADA system may have its own set of RTUs and MTUs. Centralized control and monitoring. The network allows for centralized control and monitoring, meaning that operators can oversee and manage operations from a single location, even if the RTUs and MTUs are spread out across different sites. Application. This type of SCADA system is ideal for large-scale operations such as utility companies, electricity, water, gas, that need to manage and control a wide array of geographically distributed assets. It's also common in industries like oil and gas, where pipelines and facilities are spread over vast areas. Summary. Basic SCADA is for small, single machine or process setups. Integrated SCADA manages multiple processes with the aid of a DCS. Networked SCADA is for large, geographically dispersed systems requiring centralized control. Each type of SCADA system is designed to meet the specific needs of different industrial operations, scaling from basic, localized control to advanced, distributed networks.